Okay, so terminal integrated automation shell OSX. If you haven't, this is pretty much the same thing as the previous setting, except this is pertains to macOS. But in case you just dropped on this video, I'm going to explain that again. So this setting sets a path. I mean, you can set a path here that when you set it, it will override another setting called terminal integrated shell OSX and ignore shell args values for automation related terminal usage like tasks and debug. So you actually have another setting here, which is the terminal integrated shell OSX, where you define the shell that you want to use for the for integration with VS Code. So I'm using the bash here, and this is what we see. We see a bash here, right? But I can use anything else. I mean, if we open another folder, we can actually come to bin, and I have quite a few shells here. So we have the bash, we have the KSH, we have SH, TCSH, and ZSH. So we have, these are all shells that we could use. But I'm gonna stick with bash, works perfectly fine for my needs. Anyway, so bash integrates with VS Code according to this path, but you might want to use another shell for some reason for automation tasks. So usually tasks related, well, with the tasks.json file or debugging. And for that, you can just set another path to another shell, and these tasks will use that instead of this one.